Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is factorization. Actually, this chapter is a continuation of the chapter algebraic expression. So we know that algebraic expression, it is the product of factors. So we have to find which are the factors we use to form this algebraic expression. So there are different methods to find these factors. Okay, so here the first method that we are going to discuss is method of common factors, finding the common factors and making the factors from that. Okay, so here some questions. So 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4, we know that 2x means what? 2 into x. 4 also can be factorized, 2 into 2. So here 2 into x plus 2 into 2. So here this 2 is common for these two terms. Okay, 2 and here also 1, 2. So what can be done? The 2 can be taken as common and what will remain? X plus 2 will remain. So these are the factors, 2 and x plus 2, 2 and x plus 2 are the factors of this expression 2x plus 4. What do you did? We factorized that 2, we factorized the 2 into x, 4, 2 into 2. Then we found the common factor that we had taken as common, and the remaining x and 2, this plus will be the x plus 2. Okay, you can check it, your answer is correct or not. How? 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 2, 4, 2x plus 4. You got the answer. Okay, see the second question. 5xy plus 10x. So here 5xy plus 10x also can be factorized. So here 5, we cannot factorize 5. 5 into x into y plus 10, how can we? 5 into 2 into x. So here we can find 5 is a common factor and x is a common factor. So here 5x into y, here we can see here 5x into 2. Okay, so 5x and 5x common, we can take outside 5x. Then what are these remaining? Y plus 2. So these are the factors here. So 5x we can be factorized 5 into x into y. So 10 can be 5 into 2 into x. Then 5 and x are common here, then 5x. The remaining terms are y and 2. So 5x we are taking as common. Then y plus 2. This is the answer for that. Then here 12a square plus. So here 12, how can we factorize? We have to factorize this 12. The 2, 6, 2, 3. Okay. So here 2 into 3 into a square, a into b, then plus 15 can be 5 into 3 into a into b into b. Okay, so this way we can factorize that. So just see what are the common factors there. So here this 3 is there and a is there and b also there, 3ab. So here we just take 3ab here, then into 2 into 2, 4. 4a will remain here and plus here 3ab. Then what are things remaining? 5b, 5 into b. Okay, then 3a we are taking as common, 3ab. Then what are the terms remaining? 4a plus 5b. Okay, so 12 can be factorized 2 into 2 into 3. Then a square b, a into a square into b. 15 can be factorized 5 into 3, a into b square, b into b. Then you check that in both sides, which are the terms we can find common. 3 is here both sides, a also there, b. So 3ab we will get as a common here and here also. Then what are the terms remaining? 2 into 2, 4, a 4a will be here. Here 5 into b, 5b will be there. Then we are taking this 3ab as common and 4a plus 5b. So this is the factor. Then we can check it. Okay, so after this 3 into for 12, a into a square, then b. Then like that, if you multiply, you should get this answer. Okay? Okay, let us see the next method, that is factorization by regrouping terms. So, regrouping, arranging terms and finding the factors. So here, 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. So here, this can be grouped into two groups. So here, this one group and this one another group. We can take like this and we can check that. So here first, 2xy plus 2y. 2xy plus 2y. We can factorize it 2 into x into y plus 2 into y. So here 2 and y. 2 and y are common factor. So 2y into x plus 2y into 1. There is no number, we can multiply with the 1. So here 2y is common and in bracket x plus 1. 2y into x plus 1, 2y into x, 2xy and 2y into 1, 2y. Okay, next one, 3x. 3x plus 3. Okay, so this also can be 3 into x plus 3 into 1 we can write. So here 3 is common. Okay, then 3 we have taken and x plus 1 is okay. So here 2y into x plus 1 and 3 into x plus 1, we got two factors. Then we can write it together. 2y into x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1. Okay, so now you got a 2 terms. So here x plus 1 is common here. Okay, so x plus 1 is one factor and 2y plus 3 one another factor. We got these two factors of this. This is the way to factorize. Okay, first we regrouped that and we had taken first group and we factorized it. Okay, we got two factors. Then the second group again we factorized. Then combined that. From that we found one another common factor, that is x plus 1, then 2y plus 3. So x plus 1 and 2y 3 are the factors of this algebraic expression. You can multiply this and you can check it. Okay, so each term, a binomial by a binomial, how can we multiply? We studied in that algebraic expressions chapter. So such a way you can check it also. Okay, this is the method. So first 2xy plus 2y we have taken and factorized that. We got 2y and 2y common. Okay, the remaining x plus 1. Then 3x plus 3. Here 3 is common. X plus 1. Then together. Then from that x plus 1 we got as common and 2y plus 3 another factor. Okay. Okay students, let us see how can we factorize a algebraic expression by using algebraic identities that we studied in the previous chapter. Which are the standard identities that we studied? A plus b the whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. These three identities, how can we use to solve this, factorize these expressions? So here, first one, x square plus 8x plus 16. So here, by saying the first term and last term are square numbers, you have to think that a square plus 2ab plus b square it can be. We can check. Okay, first one is a square term, last number also a square. That is why a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just check that. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write it a plus b all square. So just like here, x square. Then plus 2 into what will be a x and what will be b? 4x square 16. So b will be 4 plus 4 square. Understood? So x square. Okay, 2 into first term is x, then b It is 16 means 4's square, 4. Okay, so if we make it, we will get the same. Just to see x square plus 2 into 4, 8x plus 16 we got. So that equals, it is x plus 4 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, so x plus 4 whole square equals x square plus 2 into x into 4 into 4 square, that is x square plus 8x plus 16. So its fact is x plus 4 whole square, that means x plus 4 into x plus 4. Okay, these are the factors. So by saying that question, you have to find which identity can be used here, which identity already used here. Then write that identity and check that each term. First term will be a and the last term will be b. A's square and b's square. Okay, so here first term is x, last term is 4. Okay, then you find it. Then see the second question. 4y square minus 12y plus 9. So here also we can see that the first term 4y, that means 2y square. Here 3 square. So here a will be 2y and b will be 3. Okay, so minus, so a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is 2y and b is 3. Just check that. 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 3 plus 3 square. Okay, 2y square is 4y square minus 2 into 2 4y into 3 12y plus 3 square is 9. So its factor is a minus b. This means a minus b whole square. So here a is 2y minus b is 3 whole square. That is 2y minus 3 into 2y minus 3. Factors of that. Okay. So here also, here it is minus, that is why a square minus 2ab plus b square. First you have to check that the first term and the last term are square numbers or not. Squares of a and it is b. Then you use this identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals a minus b square. Apply that same way here, and if you are getting the same question, then you can use this a and b, a minus b whole square. Okay. Then here one another question. 49 p square minus 36. So here also both numbers are square numbers. So here this can be written 7p all square minus 36 can be 6 square. Okay. Now what you got? It is in the form of a square minus b square, that equals a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now 7p square, 7p all square minus 6 square equals what? A is 7p, 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. This is the answer for that. So both are squares. So 49 7 into 7, 49 is 7p and 6 6 are 36. 7p all square minus 6 square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. Okay. Then the last question, m raised to 4 minus 256. M raised to 4. So how can we write this as a square? M square whole square minus 256, 16 square. Okay, now we have got it is in the form of a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. So here m square whole square minus 16 square equals a square minus b square. A square is m square plus 16 into m square minus 16. you got answer. Okay, this is the way to factorize it. First you have to learn that algebraic identities. By seeing that question, which identity can be used to check that and solve it. It is very easy to find. In our previous chapter we studied the addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expressions. In this chapter we are studying division of algebraic expressions. Division of monomial by another monomial. See the first question. 6x cube divided by 2x. So here also we have to factorize 6. How can we? 2 into 3 into x into x into x divided by 2 into x. Okay, division can be done like this. So common 2 and 2 can be cancelled. 1x also can be cancelled. So what are the terms remaining? 3 into x, that is 3x square. This is the answer for that. So 6x cube can be factorized that 2 into 3 into x into x into x. 2x can be 2 into x. Then common factors you divide and the remaining terms you will get as answer. Okay, second question is just to see minus 20x raised to 4 divided by 10x square. So here also 20, how can we factorize that? Minus 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 5 so 20 into x into x into x into x raised to 4. Then divided by 2 into 5 into x into x, 2 into 5, 10 x into x square, 10x square. Okay, now this 2, 5, then x. Now what are the terms be? Minus 2 here, minus 2 into x into x, that equals minus 2x square. That is the answer for that. Okay, just to factorize that and find the common factors and cut that, and the remaining terms will come as answer. It is very easy to divide a monomial by another monomial. Now let us see how can we divide a polynomial by a monomial. See the question, divide 24 into x square y z plus xy square z plus xy z square by xy z. So here 24 is multiplying these three terms. Okay. So when we divide, each time we have to divide. Instead of that, if we can simplify this and after that if we divide, that will be easy. So just to see how can we simplify that. This 24 can be factorized. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So here, how can we factorize it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into then x square, in bracket we can write x into y into z plus then x into y into z plus x into y into z into z. Okay, so here each term. Okay, so 24 is outside the bracket. Then here you see that. So here 3 into 3 into, that is 8 into 3. So here x is here, here also x is here, here also x. Then here also y, z, z. So these three terms are common. So we can write this 8 into 3 into x, y, z. Then what are the terms will remain in the bracket? Here x, y, z we had taken, then x is remaining. Then plus here x, y, z is taken, y is remaining. Plus here x, y, z is taken, z is remaining. Okay, so here 8 into 3 into xy. So 8 into 3 is 24 only. Okay, if you write together also no problem. So xy is z, then x plus y plus z, xy z into x, you will get this term. Xy z into y, you will get this term, and xy z into z, you will get the third term. Okay, we just simplified that, only that. Then we are going to divide this by 8 xy z. So 8 and 8 can be cancelled. Y z, xy z also can be cancelled. Then what are the terms remaining? 3 into x plus y plus z. That is the answer. Okay, so it is a bigger term expression, and you have to simplify that. This is the way you just write that in the factors. You write its factors, then find the common factor and take that outside the bracket. The remaining terms will be there, and after that you divide. Then you will get the answer for that. Okay, now let us see how can we divide a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, so here 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2. So here first of all we can write this 7x square plus 14x. So how can we factorize this, or how can we simplify this? Then we will be able to divide this by x plus 2. So here 7 into x plus 7 into 2 into x. So here 7x, 7 and x are common. So what we are going to do? 7x we will write outside the bracket. Then x plus 2 will remain, x and 2x plus 2. 7x into x plus 2, 7x into x, 7x square, 7x into 2, 7 into 2, 14, 14x. Okay, now let us see that. How can we divide this? Divided by x plus 2. Okay, divided by x plus 2. X plus 2 and x plus 2 cancel. Then 7x is remaining. So 7x square plus 14x is divided by x plus 2. We got 7x. First we factorized that, and we got its short form simplified with 7x into x plus 2. Then we did, because we have to make this in this form, then only we can divide this by x plus 2, because here there is no x plus 2 directly, you will not get. So you factorize it and make it in this form, then find a common factor of x plus 2 here, then cancel it and you will get answer. The same way, one another question here. So here also z into 5 into z into z minus this 80, 5 into 5 into 16. Yes. Okay. Divided by 5z x plus 4. Let it be that. We have to concentrate here. So here 5 is common. Okay. So here this also can be taken z into 5 outside the bracket. Z into z square minus 16 we got. Okay. So 5 into z we will get to 5z. This can be written as a square minus b square. Z square minus 16, z square minus 4 square. Okay, so that is why z plus 4 into z minus 4. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, z square minus 4 square. Okay, we got this. So z square minus 4 square is z plus 4 into z minus 4. We got up to this. Then we can divide this by 5z into z plus 4. Now you see, we can easily cancel this. Then what will remain? Z minus 4. Okay, so when we get this type of questions, we have to factorize that first, and you will get this 5z into z plus 4 into z minus 4. Then we will get a common the same number here, then we can cancel. This is the answer. Okay, first you simplify this and divide this. Okay, this is the way to solve that. This is the end of this chapter. Exercise I will give, important questions I will give in your notes. You practice that well. Okay, bye.